Today, we're diving into a world often misunderstood, the world of carbohydrates. You see, not all carbs are created equal. Some of them, hiding in plain sight, are packed with the kind of nutrients that keep our bodies running like well-oiled machines. We're talking fiber for digestion, vitamins for vitality, and minerals for overall health. So, if you're ready to rethink what you know about carbs, join me on this journey. We're about to uncover 12 high-carb foods that are surprisingly wonderfully healthy. Let's get started. Our journey begins with a familiar friend, the sweet potato. Don't let the sweetness fool you. This is one root vegetable that's earned its place on our list. Beyond that satisfying, earthy flavor lies a powerhouse of nutrition. We're talking about a rich source of fiber which, as we know, is essential for a happy, healthy gut. And it doesn't stop there. Sweet potatoes are brimming with vitamins and minerals, including a healthy dose of vitamin A, vital for good vision. So go ahead and indulge in this guilt-free treat. Your body will thank you. Next up, we're shining a light on a vibrant root vegetable, often overlooked but never underwhelming the beet. These crimson gems, with their earthy sweetness, are packed with essential nutrients your body craves. And when it comes to carbs, beets bring their A-game. But their talents don't stop there. Beets are known to improve blood flow, thanks to naturally occurring nitrates. These nitrates work their magic by relaxing blood vessels, allowing for smoother circulation. The result? A happy heart and healthy blood pressure levels. Remember, a healthy heart beats to the rhythm of a balanced diet. The vibrant orange, a symbol of warmth and vitality. It's no coincidence that this juicy fruit is packed with energy-giving carbohydrates. But there's more to this citrus delight than meets the eye. Oranges are renowned for their high vitamin C content, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens our body's defenses. Imagine each segment a tiny reservoir of this essential vitamin ready to bolster your immune system and help you ward off those pesky colds. And as you savor the sweet, tangy juice, remember that you're also replenishing your body's fluids, for oranges are a surprisingly good source of hydration. So the next time you reach for a snack, consider the Humble Orange. It's a delicious and convenient way to fuel your body with healthy carbohydrates and essential nutrients. A true gift from nature's bounty. Remember, a healthy life is a journey, and incorporating nutrient-rich foods like oranges can make all the difference. In the world of fruits, blueberries stand out as tiny titans of nutrition. Don't let their small size fool you. These little blue gems are packed with a surprising amount of healthy carbohydrates, providing sustained energy throughout your day. But their true power lies in their antioxidant prowess. Blueberries are bursting with anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for their deep blue hue. These natural compounds act like guardians, protecting your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. It's like having a microscopic army fighting to keep you healthy from the inside out. And the best part is, their sweet, slightly tart flavor makes them incredibly versatile. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or add them to your smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a burst of flavor and a nutritional boost. So embrace the power of the blueberry. A small fruit with a big impact, it's a testament to nature's ability to pack incredible nutrition into the smallest packages. The banana, a fruit so ubiquitous, so readily available, it's easy to overlook its incredible nutritional value. Found in almost every corner of the world, this humble fruit is more than just a convenient snack. It's a nutritional powerhouse that has been fueling humans for centuries. But beneath that bright yellow peel lies a powerhouse of carbohydrates, ready to fuel your day. These natural sugars and fibers provide a quick energy boost, making bananas an ideal snack for those on the go. Whether you're an athlete seeking sustained energy or simply need a pick-me-up, the banana is your go-to snack. Its easily digestible carbohydrates make it perfect for pre- or post-workout nutrition, helping to replenish glycogen stores and aid in muscle recovery. But there's more to this curved fruit than just carbohydrates. Bananas are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining heart health. Potassium helps to balance fluids and electrolytes in the body, which is vital for proper muscle function and nerve signaling. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, keeping your heart beating rhythmically and efficiently. Studies have shown that a diet rich in potassium can help reduce the risk of stroke and heart disease. And let's not forget, The humble banana's versatility. This fruit can be incorporated into a variety of dishes, from breakfast to dessert, adding both flavor and nutrition. Enjoy it on its own, savoring the natural sweetness and creamy texture. Slice it onto your cereal for a nutritious breakfast. Blend it into a smoothie for a refreshing and energizing drink, or even use it as a natural sweetener in baking. The possibilities are endless. From banana bread to muffins, this fruit can enhance the flavor and nutritional profile of your baked goods. So, the next time you're searching for a healthy and convenient snack, remember the banana. It's not just a quick fix. It's a long-term investment in your health. It's nature's way of providing a delicious and nutritious boost to keep you going strong. Embrace the banana and let it fuel your journey to a healthier, more energetic life. And now we come to a grain as familiar as a warm morning breakfast oats. These tiny grains have been a staple in many households for generations, cherished for their versatility and nutritional value. Whether you enjoy them as a comforting bowl of oatmeal, a crunchy granola bar, or even in your favorite baked goods, oats have a way of making their presence known in the most delightful manner. Don't let their simplicity fool you, though. Oats are much more than just a breakfast option. They are a nutritional powerhouse that can benefit your health in numerous ways. These little powerhouses are brimming with goodness, offering a wealth of benefits in every serving. From providing essential vitamins and minerals to being a great source of energy, oats are a true superfood. Oats are a whole grain, which means they deliver the complete package of nutrients found naturally in the grain seed. This includes important nutrients like magnesium, iron, and zinc, which are vital for maintaining good health. They're a hearty source of complex carbohydrates, the body's primary source of energy. This makes them an excellent choice for athletes and anyone needing sustained energy throughout the day. But their generosity doesn't end there. Oats are also packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Oats are celebrated for their rich fiber content, particularly a special type called beta-glucan. This fiber is known for its ability to improve heart health and support a healthy digestive system. This soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance in your digestive system. This gel slows down digestion, helping you feel full longer and aiding in weight management. This gel not only aids digestion, but also helps lower cholesterol levels, promoting a healthy heart. Regular consumption of oats has been linked to reduced risk of heart disease, making them a heart-healthy choice. So if you're seeking a satisfying and nutritious way to start your day or fuel your body after a long day, remember the humble oat. Its versatility means you can enjoy it in countless ways, from a simple bowl of oatmeal to a delicious oat-based smoothie. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the simplest things in life are truly the most rewarding. So, next time you reach for a breakfast option, consider the humble oat and all the benefits it brings to your table. From the rugged slopes of the Andes Mountains comes a grain revered for centuries by ancient civilizations, quinoa. Pronounced quinoa, this tiny seed boasts a remarkable nutritional profile, making it a star player in the world of healthy carbohydrates. Quinoa is unique in that it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need but cannot produce on their own. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone seeking to increase their protein intake. But quinoa's talents don't stop there. It's also a good source of iron, magnesium, and fiber, providing a range of health benefits. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body, while magnesium plays a vital role in muscle and nerve function. So, whether you're looking for a satisfying side dish, a protein-packed salad base, or a nutritious breakfast porridge, consider quinoa. This ancient grain is a testament to the enduring power of nature's bounty. Don't let the name fool you. Buckwheat isn't related to wheat at all. Despite its name, buckwheat is actually a seed that comes from the flowering plant Phagopyrum esculentum. This plant is more closely related to sorrel and rhubarb than to wheat or other grains. Its unique properties make it a versatile and valuable addition to any diet. This remarkable seed, a relative of rhubarb, stands apart as a naturally gluten-free powerhouse of nutrition. Unlike many other grains and seeds, buckwheat is completely free of gluten, making it an excellent choice for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities. Its nutritional profile is impressive, offering a range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For those with gluten sensitivities, buckwheat offers a welcome and delicious way to enjoy a variety of dishes. From hearty breakfast porridges to savory dinner entrees, buckwheat can be used in countless recipes. Its versatility in the kitchen is matched by its health benefits, making it a staple in many gluten-free diets. Buckwheat is exceptionally rich in manganese, a mineral crucial for bone health, metabolism, and wound healing. Manganese plays a vital role in the formation of connective tissue, bones, and blood clotting factors. It also helps in the metabolism of fats and carbohydrates, calcium absorption, and blood sugar regulation. It's also a good source of copper, which aids in iron absorption and plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood vessels and nerves. Copper is essential for the production of red blood cells and helps maintain healthy bones, blood vessels, nerves, and immune function. It also contributes to iron absorption, preventing anemia and promoting overall health. This versatile grain is a good source of fiber, promoting digestive health and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Dietary fiber is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system, preventing constipation, and reducing the risk of various digestive disorders. It also helps in controlling blood sugar levels and lowering cholesterol. Its nutty flavor and slightly chewy texture make it a delightful addition to both sweet and savory dishes. Whether you're making a comforting bowl of porridge, a refreshing salad, or a hearty main course, buckwheat's unique taste and texture can enhance any meal. Its versatility allows it to be used in a wide range of culinary applications. So, whether you're looking for a hearty breakfast porridge, a flavorful salad addition, or a nutritious base for your meals, buckwheat has you covered. Its ability to blend seamlessly into various dishes makes it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Or a base for gluten-free pancakes, buckwheat is an excellent choice. Its natural gluten-free properties make it perfect for creating delicious and healthy pancakes that everyone can enjoy, regardless of dietary restrictions. Buckwheat is an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their diet and overall health. Its rich nutritional profile, combined with its versatility in the kitchen, makes it a valuable addition to any pantry. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, buckwheat can help you create nutritious and delicious meals with ease. It's a reminder that good health and good food can go hand in hand. By incorporating buckwheat into your diet, you can enjoy a wide range of health benefits while savoring delicious and satisfying meals. So why not give buckwheat a try and discover the many ways it can enhance your culinary experience and well-being? Apples. A fruit so ubiquitous, so ingrained in our culture, that we often take for granted its incredible nutritional value. But beyond their sweet, crisp bite lies a powerhouse of natural goodness. Apples are a surprisingly good source of carbohydrates, the body's primary energy source. And these aren't just empty carbs. Apples are also rich in fiber, a crucial nutrient that aids digestion and helps us feel full and satisfied. An apple a day may not keep the doctor away, but it certainly contributes to a healthier you. We often think of meat when we talk about protein, but the plant world offers its own champions. Take kidney beans, for example. These humble legumes are a powerhouse of both carbohydrates and protein, making them a valuable addition to any diet. But their benefits don't stop there. Kidney beans are particularly good at helping regulate blood sugar levels, a boon for those managing diabetes or simply looking for sustained energy throughout the day. And as if that weren't enough, kidney beans also contribute to heart health, a vital consideration in today's world. So next time you're planning a meal, remember the mighty kidney bean. And then there are chickpeas, those little beige bundles of goodness. Don't let their unassuming appearance fool you. These legumes are nutritional powerhouses. High in carbs and protein, they provide sustained energy and help build and repair tissues. And as if that weren't enough, they're also brimming with vitamins and minerals. A true testament to the saying, good things come in small packages. Let's journey back in time, to the ancient fields where barley was first cultivated. This hardy grain has nourished civilizations for millennia, and for good reason. Barley is a powerhouse of complex carbohydrates and fiber, providing long-lasting energy and promoting digestive health. It's also been linked to lower cholesterol levels, making it a heart-healthy choice. A true testament to the enduring power of nature's bounty. We've reached the end of our exploration into the world of surprisingly healthy high-carb foods. Remember, not all carbs are created equal. By choosing wisely, you can nourish your body and fuel your life. If you found this journey insightful, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures in the world of health and nutrition. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video. And please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to know the 7 best foods you should eat to increase your sperm count, watch the video on your screen next.